Tired of Wise account hiccups slowing down your freelance income? Let's get your Wise account back on track for seamless international payments. First up, verification if your account is on hold or limiting transactions. It's likely due to verification Wise needs to confirm your identity and business. To solve this, you'll typically need to upload official identification documents, like a passport or national ID, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the documents are clear, legible, and match the information you provided during sign-up. You can usually find the upload links directly within your Wise account, or through the email from Wise requesting the information. Next, let's tackle transaction limits. You might find your ability to send or receive money is restricted if you've hit certain thresholds. Wise has different limits for various currencies and payment methods. To increase these, navigate to the Limits section in your account settings. You'll often need to provide more information about the nature of your business and the expected volume of transactions. Be prepared to explain your freelance industry and the typical amounts you deal with. Compliance is key to avoiding future issues. Wise has specific policies for freelancers to ensure everything is above board. Ensure you're not using your Wise account for activities prohibited by Wise, such as speculative trading or sending funds to unverified recipients. Review Wise's terms of service and their policies regarding business accounts. If in doubt, reaching out to Wise support with specific questions about your business and transaction types is always the best approach. Having trouble finding the right button or information? Don't hesitate to use Wise's support channels. They have a comprehensive help center with articles addressing common issues. If you can't find your answer there, contacting their customer support directly via chat or email is the most effective way to get personalized assistance for your specific situation. They can guide you through the necessary steps to resolve any lingering account problems and ensure your freelance finances flow smoothly.